years ago in China, there lived a magnificent emperor. His kingdom reached far and was filled with many wondrous things. Behold, here lies the nightingale that sang to me so sweetly. Listen to his song. When this news reached the palace, the emperor was surprised. How can such a thing live in my kingdom and I not know about it? Go, servant, fetch me this bird. The servant left the palace in search of this wondrous bird. When he came to the edge of the forest, he noticed the nightingale sitting on a tree branch. He told the nightingale about the emperor's request, and they set off toward the palace. The emperor was pleased to see the bird, and even set out a special stand for her. Sing for me, nightingale. What beautiful music! You shall stay and be my royal pet. One day a present arrived for the emperor. Behold, what a beautiful bird! The emperor loved his new bird and placed it in the highest degree. A year soon passed as the emperor played his new bird day after day. One day, during the bird's song, the emperor was devastated, and he soon became very sad. His grief made him very ill. The emperor could not live without the beautiful song of the nightingale. Suddenly, there came through the open window the sound of sweet music. Outside on a tree branch sat the nightingale, for she had heard of the emperor's suffering and came back to him. Oh, my sweet nightingale, never again will I misjudge your value.